To install an Google add-on in Austin ISD, the first step would be to go to the portal and log into your Google Drive. That will help us ensure that your Google profile is your Austin ISD profile. At that point, you can go to gsuite.google.com/marketplace. From the marketplace, I can search for any Google add-on that I would like to use. For example, the Pear Deck for Google Slides add-on. I will see some options that it suggests, but here's the add-on that I was asking about. And when I open that add-on, I will see an install button here. This tells me that Austin ISD has approved this Google add-on for teacher use. If it says disabled by admin, you will need to go into ServiceNow and request approval for that Google add-on. Once you have installed this, it will walk you through the permissions for this particular app. So it says it needs permissions. And in these permissions, it's going to tell me, it's going to say which Google ID that I am accessing this with. And so I will select my district Google ID. And then it will provide some allowances. It's going to have, for example, to connect to their service. It does need to be able to put things into my Google Drive as a spreadsheet. So if this has been approved by Austin ISD, I should come down and go ahead and click Allow. It says it's been installed. I will now find it in the Add-ons menu for the Google Core app that is associated with that Google add-on. So Pear Deck for Google Slides will only be found in the Add-ons menu for Google Slides. And at that point, it is installed. I can come back later and uninstall if I want to.